Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Why PocketFi's launch is a game changer for the crypto world. The crypto market is no stranger to innovation, but every now and then, a project comes along that shakes things up in a big way. Enter PocketFi, a rising star that's redefining decentralized finance, DeFi. With its unique blend of user-friendly technology and cutting-edge features, PocketFi is more than just a project. It's a movement that could reshape how people interact with crypto. From cross-chain token transfers to sniping tools and copy trading, PocketFi simplifies complex DeFi activities through a sleek Telegram bot. It's designed for anyone, whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just starting in the crypto space. Let's dive deeper into why the upcoming PocketFi listing date could mark a turning point in the crypto industry. The numbers behind the buzz. PocketFi's growth trajectory has been nothing short of phenomenal. Here's a snapshot of its success so far. Over 9 million active users across its platform. 601.6k followers on Twitter, showing its strong influence on social media. 3.3 million subscribers on Telegram, its primary hub of operations. These numbers aren't just impressive, they're a testament to how much trust and excitement the crypto community has for PocketFi. Moreover, the platform's ability to attract such a massive user base speaks volumes about its ease of use and the real-world value it offers. With its innovative features and growing popularity, PocketFi is quickly becoming one of the most watched projects of Q4 2024. The upcoming PocketFi Airdrop. One of the biggest reasons for PocketFi's growing hype is its airdrops, a beloved feature in the crypto community. The PocketFi Airdrop, slated for Q4 2024, promises to reward users generously with tokens, adding even more value to their participation. Here's why the airdrop is a big deal. Play-to-earn integration. PocketFi is merging gaming mechanics with DeFi. Users can earn tokens through in-app activities, challenges, and missions. This gamified approach doesn't just make DeFi engaging, it also introduces a fun way to earn passive income. Limited time opportunity. PocketFi will conclude its mining phase by the end of Q4 2024. This means users have a short window to maximize their token rewards before the project transitions to its next stage. The listing that could shake the market. All eyes are now on the PocketFi token listing date, expected to be one of the most significant events in the crypto calendar. While the official date hasn't been revealed yet, traders and investors are already speculating on the PocketFi coin price, anticipating a potential surge given the project's strong fundamentals. Why the listing matters. Massive community support. With millions of active users, PocketFi's ecosystem is robust and thriving, creating a strong foundation for its token's value.